Okay, so this is sort of a very impromptu video. I had no plans of doing this, but I thought, hey, this might be a fun idea. Because I recently ordered a bunch of parts, and they just came in, and I thought, I might as well show off what parts and what components I ordered. This is, what I'm going to be showing y'all is the first of two boxes, the other one's coming in later, I don't know when. But yeah, let me show y'all what I got. So this is a big heckin' box from Amazon. It's not really that deep, it's this big. And in it, we've got some wet palettes. My desk is a mess. We've got some wet palettes, because I need more wet palettes, because I do miniature painting, and I paint some projects, and wet palettes are important. It comes with 50 hydro sheets and 2 hydro foams. The hydro foams are what I need more, because I end up leaving them sitting for a while and they get crusty. That's probably on me. I also have these two things with components. So this one, I think I know what it is, because okay, so I ordered some buck converters, some down converters. Here they are. They're actually wrapped fairly decently, and I just noticed that my camera was dim, so hopefully this looks better, but I just noticed that they're wrapped pretty decently. I'm only going to open up one for now because I'm going to use it soon. But they're wrapped fairly decently, even if their pull tabs are shit. So we can see where they weren't cleaned completely properly there when they were soldering on the bits. But so far, it looks fairly decent. It claims it can input 50 volts, output 35 volts. We're going to see that. I just need to down convert 9 volts to 5 volts or 3.3 volts. So that's what this little screw terminal is for. So I can change the voltage. Smaller than I thought it was going to be. Because I want it to fit within the casing of a future project and be about the same size as a 9-volt battery, so that would fit. I have random components all over my desk. So let's compare it to the size of a 9-volt battery. It's about smaller than a 9-volt battery, so this will fit. Because the idea is you plug in the 9-volt battery, it goes into this, down converts it from 9 volts to 5 volts or 3.3 volts into the project. So yeah, future project coming up. What we also have here in this little envelope is what I hope are the switches I ordered. It says maybe on the packaging. It claims I ordered 10 of them, I believe, so we're about to see if it's actually 10 or not. Now that's some good ass adhesive on this envelope. Okay, and here they are. They are actually a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. Which, that's not a bad thing. It might pose some challenges for this project. Or, well, the project they're going to be part of. Future videos still in the works on the planning side. Let's see how many I got here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. They shipped me 20. I don't remember ordering 20 20 switches. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I'm gonna go double check my Amazon. Because I don't remember ordering 20 switches. I remember ordering 10, because I thought I ordered 10. Huh. Looks like it was a 20 pack. So, yeah, I've got a bunch of extra switches. The part I plan is they're gonna be positioned like this, and a little lever is going to push left or right depending on which direction, and then it'll toggle one. That's an idea of the idea. So that's nice. I had to figure out a way to store these later. Midway through saying I need to figure out a way to store them properly is I remember I bought little plastic baggies at Walmart recently just for storing components like this. Because in a previous video I did advocate for Gridfinity, but as I've been printing bins and stuff, I've been finding it more troublesome than it's worth, in my opinion. And I don't know if I'm the only one who's been feeling that, where Gridfinity isn't really worth the trouble of printing all the bins and sorting everything into open bins than it is just to use a drawer system that lays flat. Especially when, like, in Zach Freeman's videos, you see the wall of drawers or whatever, right? His colorful wall parts. But we rarely see him actually use his Gridfinity setup. But I'm thinking with Gridfinity, like, I bought the Sterlite bins, and the Sterlite bins have a very big volume, which is bigger than I need for Gridfinity. I'm excited to get around to using these switches now, because I both need them for a, let's call it a keyboard project, and also I want to get into another video where I build Nerf blasters. I want to build ones with semi-automatic features, because I think that'd be fun. I also ordered a pack of 12 bearings. I believe these are 606ZZs, I believe? 608ZZ bearings. This is also for the same project as the limit switches, as the micro switches. I also ordered 2 things of resin. I believe this is the gray resin. Yeah, this is the Ceratec Fast ABS-like resin. I believe that's what I like using for most of my miniatures and other resin-based projects. And I was particularly excited for this one because I haven't worked with it yet, and I'm hoping it goes well. This is, I believe, their simple resin. Their, let's see if I can get out the packaging resin. Don't want to accidentally open that in here, because I don't want to clean up a spill. Yeah, they're simple clear resin. Because a lot of my projects I want to do in the future will need clear parts. And I could get into that with either clear resin like this, or I could get into it by printing some clear FDM or really thin FDM layers. But in both cases, I don't know. I'd rather use the clear resin because then I can get more details without worrying about the structural, stability of the project itself. So, clear resin right here. I've got a couple projects coming up where I can't wait to use this. Some miniatures, the LED project that I just showed the little box for. I need to print a clear panel for that. And the wand project from a while ago that I'm still working on. I need clear resin for the faceplate for that. So here we go. We've got the clear resin. Hey, future me here. You can tell this is future me because different shirt, and it's literally been like 2 days since the last recording. But the second half of my order came in. This box is a bit heavier for one reason. It's bottles of alcohol for the resin printing. Right here. I believe I ordered 12 bottles, I believe. This should be about 12 bottles, 500 milliliters per bottle, about 6 liters, I believe. This tear here on the box. Or I could just pop off the top of it. So you might be wondering, why do I need this much alcohol? I need this much alcohol for cleaning the resin prints. My resin print vat uses about 7,000, 8,000 milliliters for a max load. And just going out to Walgreens or something is expensive because it's about $3 a bottle. $3 for 500 milliliters. This is a bit less than... Oh, this isn't even close. Okay, so this is 16 fluid ounces. Did I end up getting less than what I wanted? Give me a second. Yeah, I did order 16 fluid ounce bottles, so 473 milliliters. That's about 1.5 gallons, which that's a lot of alcohol, to be honest. This claims to be 99%. Yeah, 99% isopropyl. So this is the good stuff. I've been using 91% up until now. So being able to order 99% isopropyl, 1.5 gallons of it for about $25? Yeah, that's not a bad deal. That's a pretty good deal. That's about $2 per bottle, I believe. Yeah, about $2 per bottle. And this is the strong stuff. That you're not supposed to use this for medical or anything like that. You use this for cleaning. So yeah, back to previous me at whatever point in this video. So yeah, I wanted to just do a quick video where I showed off some objects I got through Amazon for future projects, and I can't wait to show off these projects, work on these projects, and give you all updates on these projects in the future. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day.